here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share part of the swap I participated in for Joanne. Her channel name is Happy Mail Stamper, and she had little swap around with the mini pocket letters, which are just 3 pockets. So I just wanted to come by and share the ones that I received. I've already posted my video of the ones I created, so I'll link that down below in case you've missed it. And yeah, so let me just show you guys what I received and let me know what you think. Here is my package. This is what I received, and a couple of things did fall out. So one is my ticket. So this is my number for Joanne's raffle. So I'm gonna put that in a safe place. And then this also fell out. It's a cute little card here with a little blessing. So that fell out, not sure where. And here's my packages. So this one I'm going to open first, and it has this cute little ribbon, and it says Enjoy Swap Friends, and it's just lightly on, which is nice because you can totally reuse this little piece. And then she has this Happy Easter, and it says Marie. That is awesome. I never saw the custom tissue paper, so that's really sweet. And let's try and get this open. So this is my first mini pocket letter. It's from Marie Romero, and that is her information right there. Super duper cute. It's all Easter themed with the cute little Easter eggs, and I'm just gonna open each one up. She seals it here with this adorable paper clip. Really cute. And then inside, actually on the outside, guys, look at this. This is really clever. She has a little flip here. So on the outside, she attached some candy. So you open it up, and that is her regular ATC right here. So you can make that into your own. And then inside the pocket, she had all these adorable little bunny parts, and the little rosette, and various tags, or I'm not sure what you call those little clouds you can write in. Really cute. And then she had this little flap here that had the candy on the outside. So that is a really great idea, you guys. So that was her first pocket. And then this one also. So we have 2 little clips here, so none of the little goodies fell out. And then inside here, the same little piece here, 2.5 by 3.5. We got this pretty sweet sentiment. And then she folded up something inside of here, and I'm just gonna look at that after. And then also a cute little carrot, little sticker there, and then she made a really creative styled ATC. It has this waterfall type of flap, and I think that's really cool. I have not seen that yet. I've seen people make folders and pockets, but this is definitely different, and I think it's awesome. And then in her last pocket here, and don't forget, she put these pretty stickers on in the middle here and over there. Cute little washi and the pom-pom trim. So another one of these, and then she gave me some bling, some Velcro dots. This is, I think you could make a design in here with your embroidery floss, and then also a little bit more little enamel dots. And then here is that creative style I've never seen before. Really cool. She should totally do a video if she hasn't. And yeah, so that was from Marie Romero, and again, this is her information. The second mini pocket letter is wrapped in this cute little tissue paper that has like sequins on it. So really cute, and she didn't use any tape, so I can completely reuse that. Here is the pocket letter. It's the mini pocket letter style where you get the just three in a row, and it's awesome because it's simpler to complete these and, you know, get into big swaps like this. So cute, spring to summer kind of theme with the bumblebees and everything. She has some pretty ribbon here, the gold ribbon, and these are really sweet. And then in the back pocket, she has, these are, I think, those wax melts. I've never tried doing that. Really nice. Look at these, you guys. Very cool. I have to try that one of these days. And then we were also supposed to do the tea bag, and she sent me this one, eucalyptus mint. So I can't wait to try that because I love tea. I love coffee, I love hot chocolate, all of them. And then she sent some bling in the back, and look at her sticker here. I was looking for who this was from. Created by Theresa, YouTube, carolinabugg. And just know I will be linking it down below. It's hard to see, but it will be in my description box. So that was the last pocket, and I thank you so much. And I really enjoyed this swap. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, that is it for today. That was what I received in the little swap around of the mini pocket letters hosted by Joanne, Happy Mail Stamper. And I love them, and I thank you guys so much. Hopefully there'll be more little swap arounds like these where you have time and it's a simple craft and it's fun. You meet new friends and you see their styles of creativity, and you guys, you know. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.